Hello everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm making chicken marsala. I hope you like this video. On high temperature, on the stove, heat 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Meanwhile, coat with unbleached all-purpose flour 4 to 6 chicken breasts cut in halves. The chicken breast should be boneless, skinless, trimmed, and seasoned with salt and black pepper. Cook the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. Once you finish cooking the chicken, place them into a plate or serving dish. Okay, now it's time to start the sauce. Using the oil left by the chicken, fry about 4 ounces of diced pancetta until it is crispy. To the pancetta already crispy, I'm going to add about 8 ounces of mushrooms. I'm using Portobello mushrooms, but you can use white mushrooms as well. Cook the mushrooms until they are brown. Once the mushrooms are brown, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, followed by the tomato paste. And I'm going to let this mixture cook until the tomato paste looks brown. Then it's time to add the Marsala wine. The Marsala wine is a red, very sweet wine that comes from Sicily. I'm going to add the wine, scraping the bottom of the pan. Once the wine mixture starts boiling, then I'm going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. The butter should be melted or room temperature. Mix well, and once the sauce starts becoming thick, then I'm going to add the parsley. And I'm using fresh parsley. Let it boil, and then we add the lemon juice. Taste for salt just in case you need to add a little bit more salt. Let it boil, and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce over the chicken, and it's ready to be served. Don't forget that the ingredients and the steps to take to make this delicious recipe are below this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, buen provecho, bye bye.